Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Syllabuzz, and today we're going to go over how to leave a course review on the platform. From the home page, you're going to go in the top right hand corner and hit review, which will then pull up a drop down menu with your course you can select from, filtered out by the professor from that section. Each course shown on the drop down menu is currently linked up with Workday to ensure the most recent courses and professors are up to date. Once we have our course selected with the professor, we can now leave a review. The first questions are: how satisfied were you with the class? A simple 1 through 5 scale from very poor to excellent for both the course and professor. From there, it'll ask about grading. The class consists of quizzes and exams, projects and presentation, case studies, or a mixture of everything. Each course might fall under certain fields such as marketing or accounting, but for this example, I listed data analytics as the focus was how companies utilize new information. For the key takeaways, I've gone ahead and copied my summary. This covers exact case studies and discussions that may not be mentioned in the course description. The remaining sections allow for you to talk with the professor, things about their personality or unique aspects they bring to the classroom. In addition, it gives you a chance to market the class to students with specific interests.